Estamos por las cataratas del Iguazú.
We can hear water now getting closer. But listen, this place is so big. It will take us forever.
'Cause I'm a gypsy. I'm a gypsy.
Hello. Hello.
No.
So let me brief you. We are in Argentina, Parque Nacional Iguazú. And of course the first thing we do, we make a simple picnic. It's a sandwich situation with lovely vegetables. Oh, nature. What more could you want, really? Senor Molina, chefing away. So of course we are making new friends as we are picnicking. No, no gusta. Doesn't like lettuce.
No le gusta el...
Hello?
No le gusta, solo le gusta la carne. Mira, 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 mira.
Yeah. Let me tell you, this one's a bit aggressive now. He wants everything that we eat. Watch your hands. Guarda tu mano, sir. No, ketchup, no. So, the adventure begins. Taking the Superior Trail. I look like a camping 12-year-old boy. Oh, alright, trying to style it out.
Cataratas del Iguazú. Con la Angelina Roz. Hola, Angelina.
Hola. And we have a first encounter with a cocodrilo. Cocodrilo. Wow. Just a random lost passenger. Oh my god, these are everywhere. What are these called in English? Let's just say we were very lucky with our friendly one.
Loquito.
Hello. Hello.
Dale, puede pasar. Dale, dale. Un segundo.
Model, show, runway.
Stop, stop,
Fashion show.
stop, stop.
No. A little bit high we are, aren't we? Ah.
Transparent water.
Yes.
Water transparent.
Transparent waters. So now I've been made aware that there are also bats here. Apparently I can sniff them. Not happy about that. Ooh. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Let's get the frack out of here. Heading to the upper level now. Listen, to me, I've seen it all. It's just another point of view, isn't it, really? But got to go with it. Oof.
La luna negra, la luna blanca, la luna negra, una me quiere, la otra me dejan.
Noel is trying to entertain me whilst we are going up, up, up to the superior level. The water is calm, it's nice and peaceful. But then something happens over here. The water takes over and See you later. One wrong step and you are a goner. At the edge of your life. Qué calor, Molina.
Mamita.
We are right at the top, made it to the top, made it to the top. And so we just had the most amazing sandwiches, self-made, all the way over here at the point of no return. No, just kidding. We are heading back down. I've absolutely had enough. See, one more thing and then I'm out. Diablo point. Diablo. Diablo. Vamos a ver el diablo.
Nos vamos a ver a la garganta del diablo. Dice que toma mucho esa garganta. Toma poco esa gargantita.
The thieves are out and about.
¡Ey, loquito!
No, amor, no. Hello, passenger. Hello. I am slightly scared. Ah! What's going with us? Come on, buddy. No.
Ese fue y se vino.
This one got it.
¡Ey, ladrón!
¡Ey, ladrón! Un altro ladrón. They have seen the devil already. Oh, butterfly kiss. Oh. Now you know we are approaching something gigantic. Alright, here we go. Wow, absolute pitfall of a waterfall. It actually makes me feel dizzy when you look at it. Look how loud it is. Crazy. So glad I walked all the way here. Devil's Throat. On the way to the airport, direction WATERFALLS. We had a little trouble, shall we say, with my baggage. It now has been amputated and down to 3 legs only. Last one standing. Gypsying through the city of beer. Welcome, QuilMes. Now serve me a nice cold beer. Do you just say QuilMes here? Do you not say beer? Because, well, it's QuilMes. I was told it was going to be primavera. I do not see primavera. I see nothing but cold. Basically look like 3 hoodlums. I've been trying to find like a second hand or a vintage store where you get me, but there's nothing here. My uniform for the next few days, I'm also thinking of fashioning a poncho made from a bed spread. The only thing that I can find that is warm. Little child, pour me a whiskey, please.
Estos son la hinchada de aquí de Quilmes. El cervecero.
I will pretend I understood some of them. He's a happy dog. There's a happy doggy. how pretty you are. I just want to go on a little rant because I am tired of looking like shit in front of the camera, and it is not my fault. Mama does know best, because my plan was to go to Buenos Aires, do some vintage fucking shopping, so I have something warm and stylish to wear, then possibly visit friends in Quilmes. There's a car coming. I'm gonna be killed here. Oh, Quilmes, don't kill me. This is vegan heaven. It makes me want to do a whole separate episode on just eating vegan in Argentina and how I can do it and prove everybody wrong that told me, well, you know what, it's just meat, isn't it? Well, who cares about it's just meat when there are so many amazing fruit, veg. 223 pesos you can buy these 2 bags full of vegan goods. Don't tell me that being vegan is more expensive. My thoughts on Quilmes, I feel like I stepped back in time a little bit ancient. Everybody's looking at me like, why has she got a camera? People are stopping when I am talking to the camera like this, thinking I'm taking a photo. I mean, it's pretty obvious I'm filming myself. I just walked past the hairdressers and for God's sake, I just saw someone doing highlights through a highlighting cap. I mean, does that even still exist? I will do as they do in Quilmes, I suppose, and drink a nice cold beer now. Sorry, Quilmes. Out comes an innocent pizza box, but inside there are empanadas. I'm like, well, how do you know where 1 is and where 12 is? Well, apparently there are numbers. Oh my god. Strangest thing I have ever seen in my life. Give me number 5, please.
Yeah.
On the cam. Let's just say it's a bit smoky in here. Ugh. Feeling like a student again. Like I ever was a student, but you know what I mean.
¿Por qué? Date una empanadita.
Yes, there is a Starbucks. Yes, there are monuments. Yes, it's sunny. It's like we came to Buenos Aires and all became right. Same uniform. At least it's sunny. I just felt like I've been to Chile every weekend. Apparently there's a festival for one country or another country. This time it was for the immigration of Chile.
Que después enseguida lo vendieron, tenía 17 años.
¿Esta fue la última vez que fueron?
Que fuimos a Rosario Racing.
Vení por acá, mi amor. It seems like the sweet stuff is what you need.